Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 5 potential altcoins to buy in the month of September. So August is long gone now and we're getting into September, and now the market in the past 24 hours is down about 0.44%, so about half a percent. Top gainers in the past 24 hours going to be Loop Ring right there, up about 33%. Our highest volume is Bitcoin like usual at 27.8 billion. Ethereum right behind it at 14.1. They're both pretty much trading flat. So Bitcoin trading around this 48,000 area that we've been around for a while, and then Ethereum around this 3,200 area, which we've been trading at pretty much for about 3 or 4 weeks. So pretty much the whole month of August, we've been trading around this area. Now Cardano still up about 2%, trading higher. You can see all these other altcoins, they're either down a percent or two, or they're either up, a percent or two as well, depending on which coin we're looking at. And obviously we have some outliers, and this is going to give us some potential gainers for the month of September. So before we get into this video, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes in this video. I know you guys can destroy that goal. As always, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. We are aiming for 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2021, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification. And guys, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are going to be in the description for that as well. And leave a comment below which crypto are you buying in the month of September. I'll reply back to your comments as well. So let's get into it. First altcoin is going to be Tezos, which is a XTZ. This is a coin I've never talked about on the channel. It's actually going to be one of those momentum play coins. So this is one of those coins that has some momentum right now. It could continue that momentum into the month of September. And obviously we don't want to miss out on opportunities like that. So Tezos right here is trading at almost $6 per coin. It is up about 16% or so in the past 24 hours. In the past week, it's up 61.9%. So massive gains right there. In the past month, 113%. All the way from lows of about 280 all the way to highs up here about $6. So over 113% or so. Really nice rally right there. On the 1 year chart, it is up 78% since last year, same price. It was trading at $3.35. Here in May, we saw highs of $8.42 with this one. Then the market crashed, obviously. We hit lows of about $2.15 or so here on July 20th. And ever since then, we've been in an uptrend, almost a 200% return from the bottom to the top right now. Market cap on this one is at around 5.2 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours, almost at 1 billion right there. So Tezos is a cryptocurrency and decentralized computing platform. Its features include proof of stake consensus, formal verification, and the ability to let stakeholders vote on the changes to the protocol. Tezos block creation process is called baking. Tezos holders who stake their coin can receive Tezos tokens as a reward for creating and verifying blocks. So that is definitely one of those big things that we talk about on the channel, is staking, where you can get more coins or an interest rate pretty much back on your coins as long as you stake them for X amount of time, which is definitely another way of making some more passive income. So that is our first altcoin for the month of September. Our second altcoin is going to be Kusama. So Kusama KSM. This one right here trading at $325.44. It is up about 7.68% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, it is pretty much trading flat, actually. In the past month, up about 73%, making some great moves right there. And then on the 1 year chart, 849%. Last year, we were trading at $46 in August, hitting highs here of over $600 in May when we saw the crypto rally, obviously, with the whole market. Then we pulled back down a little bit, shot on higher, even though actually this is where crypto kind of went down. And then we saw it go down really, really hard from about $500 all the way to about 170, hitting lows here of about 150 at one point. And now we're on an uptrend higher. Now from the lows, obviously it's up over 100% already. So making some moves right there. Market cap on this one is very, very low, 2.7 billion, market cap right there. Volume 209.9 million, and then 8.5 million circulating coins. So, Kusama is definitely one of those coins that could get some momentum going. I think it's still lagging a little bit behind the rest of the market. Now, compared to Tezos, I believe, has a lot more potential. But Kusama is definitely another one of those coins to be watching, as it's still far away from its all-time high and could potentially continue to rally higher. So our third altcoin is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. So you guys should be familiar with this one. This used to be one of those old school coins that we used to talk about. This one is up about almost 8% today. Trading at $21.19. In the past week, it's about 4% down, actually, hitting lows of about 17.26 at one point. On the 1 month chart, 82.69% higher, which is a very nice gain right there. And on the 1 year chart, 191%. So from last year, $7, we hit highs here of over about $33 or so in May, and then obviously pulled back down all the way to lows of about $9. Now we're in an uptrend, making at about 100% gain in the past month or so from the low to the top. So, gains are made everywhere, guys. You just have to find these altcoins. A lot of these altcoins are rallying right now compared to Bitcoin, obviously not being up hundreds of percent, but these altcoins definitely are. 4.8 billion market cap on Cosmos. Volume in the past 24 hours at 646.5 million. Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains and network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof of stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward. So once again, staking, another huge thing that we keep on talking about, just like with the previous coin. Staking is a huge thing for long-term investors because you're locking in your coins pretty much, and you can get more coins in the future, or depending on how it works. But obviously, more coins would be a positive thing. Even if you're getting a 10% return, a 5% return, you're making extra income that you wouldn't have made if you weren't staking. So staking is definitely one of those big things. I know a lot of you guys want me to talk about it on the channel, and I definitely will be talking about it very, very soon. Expect the video to come out in the next few weeks, obviously, about that, and we'll talk about staking in the crypto space. Our fourth altcoin is going to be Uniswap, UNI. So this one is down about 1.5% today. It is trading at $26.49. In the past week, it's down 6%. Past month, it's up about 38%. So it is lagging behind the market, obviously. And on the 1-year chart, up about 755.9% from lows of $3 here last year, all the way to highs of about $45, and then hitting lows down here once again at $14 with highs at about $30. So it made a 100% return here, but it's still a little bit slower on the slower side, lagging behind a little bit compared to the rest of the market, at least in the altcoin space, because altcoins have been rallying. Pretty much any altcoin you pull up from the July low to the August high, they're pretty much all up about 100% or so. And if they're not, it's very, very rare. It's an outlier. But obviously, we have some altcoins that are up 200, 300% in the past month as well. So, it goes both ways in that context, I guess you could say. Right now, the market cap on Uniswap is about 16.3 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 288.1 million. Now, Uniswap is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that's designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. There's no order book or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through liquidity pools that are defined by smart contracts. So this one, definitely another coin to be watching, as it has a lot more space to grow for the future and get back to those all-time highs as well. So that's our fourth coin. And last but not least, our number 5 coin for the month of September is going to be NEO. So NEO, this one is up about 1.78%, so almost 2%, trading at $54.71. In the past week, trading pretty much flat. In the past month, up about 59%. But we've been stuck around this area now for about 2 weeks or so. On the 1-year chart, 156%. And as you can see here from the low of about $27, we still have a long way to go. I mean, it has made about 100% return there in that month. But look at the highs here that we saw in May. In May, when we had the previous crypto run, this coin was trading at $140. So there's still about almost a 200% upside opportunity just to get back to those all-time highs. And this coin was trading at around $20 last year. So it is making some nice moves here, but we have a lot more upside. It is falling behind, probably lagging behind more than any of the other ones we talk about. So NEO is a cryptocurrency and smart contract platform that supports applications written in a variety of programming languages. Fees for deploying and running smart contracts are paid with gas, a separate token. So obviously, you guys should be familiar with the gas fees. That's something that pretty much all crypto spaces talk about and everybody should know about. But NEO, like I said, still has an opportunity of about almost a 200% upside just to get back to the all-time highs and then continue that rally as well. Market cap is still pretty low, like we said, 3.9 billion. So much more room for growth in the future. I would not be surprised to see this one back at all-time highs in the near future as well, in the next few years for sure. So NEO is our 5th altcoin. Now, guys, the rest of the market, how is it performing? Well, let's take a quick look and see how everything else is performing and what do we think is going to happen in the month of September. So Bitcoin, well, this one's trading at 48,000 right now. Been pretty much flat for the past week or so. On the 1-month chart, it is up about 20%, but we've been trading around this range pretty much for 2 or 3 weeks now, trading sideways, hitting highs and then pulling back. What I think is going to happen in September, obviously, I believe that we're going to get past that 50,000 area and potentially be trading around the 55,000 area in the month of September. Right now, market cap 908.9 billion. So I'm hoping to break through that 1 trillion market cap once again with Bitcoin. And then volume, obviously, 28.8 billion. So volume is picking up substantially in the recent times. And then obviously, Bitcoin on the 1 year chart, it's still up over 322%. So, making massive gains there. If you had invested $1,000, you would have made about $3,000 profit already just off of holding Bitcoin for a year, which is insane. That's a 3,000 or 300% gain, which is very, very nice to see, obviously. Then we have Doge, the meme. So Doge, the meme, a lot of you guys like to talk about this one. So market cap, 36.6 billion on it, down about 2%. On the 1 week chart, down about 11%. And then on the 1 month chart, it is up about 36%, trading at 28 cents right now, hitting highs here of about 35 cents or so. On the 1 year chart, it is up about 8,400%, obviously. From here, it went from about 16 cents to 32 cents or 34 cents in the past month or so. So it did make about 100% gain, but Doge is slowly coming back down, and I don't think we're going to, have a huge run with Doge like we had in the past. A lot of people still believe that it's going to come back up and be at $1 or so. I don't think that Doge is ever going to hit $1. Even if we had like some crazy crypto, benefits, I guess, and the whole world started to accept it, it was going to be very, very hard for Doge to come back up to those prices because it is just a meme. And if you just take a look at where it was trading in January at about 0.01, it's a lot of upside that we've had, and I think it's time for Doge to cool off a little bit. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum down about 1%, trading at that range pretty much just like Bitcoin has for the past week. It's flat. Past month up 38%, but we've been trading at this range pretty much since August 7th or so, between the 3,000 area or 3,100 area and the 3,300 area. So we've been trading around this level for about 3 weeks or so, and in going to September, we're hoping to break through that high and continue to rally on higher. So we see the sideways. I'm hoping that we go on higher, but you never know. It could go down lower. Market cap at 375.5 billion right now, with the volume in the past 24 hours at 14.7 billion. Ethereum and Bitcoin, I think we're gonna start to break through those highs of the month, obviously in the near future, as long as everything continues to go up as well. And nothing goes wrong in the crypto space. So we're going to be watching a very, very closely what Bitcoin and Ethereum do, because whatever the large cap coins do, the mid cap and the low cap coins tend to follow the same patterns, and we're going to see these altcoins potentially continue to rally. So there's always opportunities to be watching. So there's going to be a lot of these coins that, a month from now, we're going to be seeing them up a lot or potentially down a lot, depending on what the rest of the crypto space does. So that's something we have to watch, obviously, as investors. As always, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes on this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are in the description. And leave a comment below. What do you think is going to happen in September? Are we going to break through the highs on Bitcoin for the month or so? And obviously, what coins are you buying? And as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand that there's a high risk, high reward type situation when investing in the crypto space. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys see you in the next one. Goodbye.